Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In this video student, we are going to understand how to use the relational operator along with the select command. So let's begin with the theoretical part first. As you can see student, relational operator actually allow us to implement the comparison between two operands. Okay, for example, A is bigger than B or A is lesser than C, like that. So same way we will use the operator, I am to say relational operator, in SQL also. Okay, so this particular relational operator used along with where clause. So student, make sure you have to understand it. Relational operator used along with the where clause. Okay, and these operators are like lesser than, greater than, lesser than, equals to, greater than, equals to, not equals to. As you can see student, here the particular operator along with equals to, always equals to will written after the greater than or lesser than symbol. Okay, so make sure that, and equals to always written after the symbol. Okay, so now here we are going to understand the situation here. A student table already created here, like the admission number 1, 111, 122, 333, 444, 555, 666, and their name also, class. There you can see class are different, 12th, 11th, 12th, 10th. Okay, section ABC, and fee like 2500, 4500, 3000, 2000, 3000 and 2500. So student, we are going to apply the particular relational operator in this particular table. So first of all, we will understand case study according to study material. So first case says that we are going to just display those student list who are paying the fee below to the 3000 rupees. Okay, so command will be definitely select name from table where fee lesser than 3000 along with terminator. So here you can see name will come Anu Jain, Ajit Kumar, Rohan Sharma, like this. And next one thing, display student name who's are paying the over and equals to 3000 fee. It means to say those students are paying 3000 or more than that. So we will show the list for that only. So the command will be select name from student where fee greater than equals to 3000. It will compare whether it is equal or not. Okay, and then whatever the more than 3000, it will show the list also. So you can see two student has come. So student, now third condition we are going to talk about. So display student information who not in class 10th. So class asterisk select star from student where class not equals to 10. So you can see only the class 10 student is not visible here, except that all students are shown here. So student, we will do it practically, these case study. Okay, and make sure student you have to use this particular relational operator along with where clause only. So first of all, I have to just click on start button and then all program, and then you have to click on MySQL and then go to MySQL server, and then after that you can see command line will be open and you have to type here root password. As you know, remember what was the root password. And if I want to see what was my database name, so here simply a command show databases and then terminator. You can see database list has been come here. As I remember, my database was MyDB, so I will use MyDB. Now you can see confirmation message has come, database change. If I want to know how many tables are in my database, so simply I will type again show tables along with terminator. You can see there are two tables, data and student. So student, once we are going to see the full record of a particular student table, for that I will use select star from, because star is wildcard character, it will show all attribute and all record of a table from student, and then terminator. Now we can see the table has been shown here along with, I have only 4 students, but in study material 6 students are there. So one by one we are going to follow the command that is given in study material. So you can see the first command says I have to show only those student list who are paying below to the 3000 fee. Okay, so here select name from table name is student. Okay, where fee lesser than 3000 and then terminator. Now you can see Anuj Jain and Ajit Kumar will come here because I have only few list as compared to the study material. So it will show me only 2 students. Now you can see 3000 less than 3000, that is 2000 and 2500. Next one command, it says those student list who pay more than 3000 and 3000. So same command I will type, select name from student where fee definitely greater than equals to 3000. Now you can see Mohit Gupta and KP, I'm saying Mohit Sharma and KP Gupta, these are 2 students who are paying 3000 and more than 3000. So we are going to compare whether it is true or not. So here is Mohit Sharma 4500, KP Gupta 3000. Yes, we got the list. Then after that we can say another one command, which is I think those student list who are not in class 10th. Okay, so we are going to just type the same command, select star. Why? Because I am showing all record, all particular, I am to say all attribute of the table. So that's why I use here S star. From table name is student where class not equals to 10th. So here I enter. Now you can see only 3 students has come. Okay, class are 12th, 11th, and now see who is left. I am to say who is that student who study in class 10th. So here you can see Ajit Kumar is not one of the student who study in class 11th or 12th according to the list. Now student, we are going to understand the logical operator. Okay, here is logical operator. Logical operator are actually provides you, okay, the facility with where clause again, okay, which allows to merge more than one condition, okay, in a logical operator. So logical operator are and or not. So you can see here are logical operator like and or and not. So here display the information student in class 10th B. So here you can see that. So select star from student where class 11th and section B. It means to say if you are having the student list student, you can see here is 12th A, 12th B is there, 11th B, 10th is here. So according to this we will show here the detail of only 10th, I am to say 12th B only. So what we are going to do, select star from student where class equals to definitely 12th because as per my list, and section should be definitely within double quote or single quote. You can see that B terminator. Now you can see only KP Gupta has come because he studied in class 12th along with section B. Okay, so now we can say that I want to see those student list who are in section B, either they are in class 12th or 11th. So how to do that? Command you can see, select star from student where class 11th or class 12th. Okay, so we can see that select star from table name is student where class equals to 11th or class equals to 12th. Okay, now you can see that there are 3 student has come which are from class 12th and 11th. Okay, so you can see like this. Okay, and not. So this command is same as above that we have used an earlier time, not equals to. So select star from table name student, okay, where definitely class we can say that not class equals to definitely 10. So now you can see these are 3 students again visible here. Okay, only one student has left who is studying in class 10th. So student, I hope you have understand it well. Okay, so in this practice we will understand how to so student, in this video we have understand how to use relational operator and logical operator along with the select command. In next video student, we are going to understand like pattern along with select command. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.